How to fix fast charging too slow on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. So you will see device care is here. So click on device care. Now here, so click on battery. So after click on battery, so click on scroll down and click on charging settings. So after click on charging settings, so make sure fast charging button is turned on. So after turn on fast charging button, you will see go back to home screen, refresh phone. So you will see your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so insert charging cable. So you will see charging not working properly. So again remove cable and clean charging space with the help of tissue paper, and you will check your adapter and power cable is work properly. So if it not work properly, so insert new cable and adapter. So you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix it. Fast charging too slow on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.